Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Spruce Grove, Alberta. This growing city is just a short drive west of Edmonton and is one of the fastest growing communities in the province. Spruce Grove began as a small farming area in the late 1800s, named after the spruce trees that once grew thick in the area. Over time, it grew into a busy town and then a city with new neighborhoods, schools, parks, and businesses. Today, Spruce Grove is known for its strong community spirit and family-friendly feel. It's surrounded by farmland and rolling hills with beautiful parks and outdoor spaces for walking, biking, and relaxing. The city has a popular trail system called the Heritage Grove Trail, where people can enjoy quiet walks among trees and nature. Even though it's close to the big city of Edmonton, Spruce Grove has kept its small-town charm and welcoming atmosphere. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Spruce Grove, Alberta. Thanks for watching.